Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to automate your workflows using Asana Rules. This is your complete 2025 guide, so let's get started. First off, you'll need to open your Asana project. Now, the reason we do this is because the rule setup happens within each individual project. It's where the magic begins. Next up, select the Customize option in your project toolbar. This helps us because it takes us straight to the Rules dashboard. It's here where we'll be creating our automated workflow. Once in the Rules dashboard, click on the plus Add Rule option. This is important because it's how you start building your automated workflow. It's like laying the first brick in a building. At this point, you'll need to define your trigger and action. The trigger is the specific event that sets the rule in motion, while the action is what automatically happens in response to the trigger. For example, if a task is marked as complete, trigger, it could be automatically moved to another section, action. By defining these, you're essentially telling Asana what to do and when to do it, thus saving you time and effort. Now that we've done that, click Save. This is your final step, and it's crucial because it activates the rule you've just created. Once saved, the rule will start working instantly. Let me explain why this matters. Automating workflows with Asana Rules is like having an extra set of hands helping you manage your project. It reduces manual work, increases efficiency, and keeps your project moving smoothly. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to automate your workflows using Asana Rules. Remember, the key here is to identify repetitive tasks in your project and automate them to save time and effort. And that's a wrap. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, work smarter, not harder with Asana Rules. Until next time.